So, I'm Jennifer with the Lazy Hammock, and normally I go on adventures on the water or like hiking and things, exploring new places, places to eat, everything, whatever I find along the way. But today we're doing a car adventure. This is a 2011 Ford Taurus, uh, and I went last week to get some auto repairs done. Yeah, I needed an alignment and balancing, which were great because I have it under warranty and that's awesome. But they told me that I needed license plate lights. And I looked at the price that they gave me, the quote that it would take, and it was $38. I hope you see that. $38.29. And I was like, holy crap, how much is that bulb? Well, I priced the bulb. I found it for a little bit more, of course, than what they wanted, only by like $1. So I paid like just under $5 for the light bulb, but they wanted to charge me $34.80 for the replacement of this for both little license plate light bulbs. It consists of 4 Phillips head screws. You don't have to take anything off real crazy or anything. When I saw the price for labor, I thought, yeah, this is going to be extensive. So I YouTubed it, and seriously, I was like, oh my gosh, that's not hard at all. I'm going to do it myself. Yeah, so I'm totally making this video that shows me saving $35 in labor just by doing this. And I think that's kind of them taking advantage of people who can't do it themselves, or people who think, oh my God, this is such a crazy thing. So here comes one. I only have one out, but it comes in a pack of 2, so I'm just gonna replace 2. So yeah, they also keep they only do the one replacement, I think. I don't think they even replace both. I'm not really sure about that one. But see, there's one screw. And it's just the star-shaped one, Phillips. Not a special screwdriver, not special screws. So easy to do. Huh? Okay, second screw. Just supposed to pop out. It's on clips. Guess I should have gotten a straight screwdriver too, but I think I got it. It's a little bit, you just gotta go like that. It's on little plastic springs. There you go. Still not crazy. There you go. All right. So I think I need to just open that up there. I just need a screwdriver to pop that open, a flathead screwdriver, I think, or a butter knife, or maybe I can just pop it like this. Oh, I can just use this to pop it again. You just put this in the screw hole and go boop. I guess it's not really boop. And then there you go. Here's that. And I know you probably should wear gloves with this, so you don't damage the bulb, but this wasn't that big a deal. Like usually I was always told when I worked on tires and stuff at a place that you should always have like latex gloves on, or whatever gloves. You shouldn't really touch it. So the guy, all he did on the video that I watched, and yeah, it's mostly all guys doing YouTube videos. So you just put it in the little thing like it was, and then you pull. Just snap it in. Try not to touch it. Boom. Got one side. Just pull that little clip back a little bit. just pop it into place. Boom, makes that little snap on both sides. And then put it back in its harness. I was able to just use my, there, that part's back in. Get a screw, one screw, shove this back into place. Okay, this part might be a little bit hard. Ah, no, it isn't. So definitely remember how you did it. I'm gonna get over to the other side. Might have to lay down, but it's still totally not worth $35 to have somebody else do this. Force it. There's the other screw. Not a COVID cough. There. Oh, I just had to angle it different. Super easy, actually. All I had to do was angle it. All right. So the screw holes should be right where they were. Yep, and they are. Tighten it down just a little bit. Don't want to over tighten it. You can even put some, like these are rusty, so I probably should have sprayed them first, but that's okay. For now, I say it's okay. The next time, maybe not so much. Boom. And now that one's done, and all I have to do is this one. So, and this one will go faster because now I know how to do it. I will talk to you all later and hopefully have a different kind of more fun adventuring. But this just saved me $35. So I figured I ought to share that with somebody. Yeah, 2011 Ford Taurus Limited. That was it. $35. Crazy stuff, huh? Enjoy your day.